Okay, so today this is the question we're going to do. So again, it's kind of like a flag this time. So we can see here we've got this kind of flag-shaped object, right? And then we've got this circle in the middle and this kind of star here. Um, Now straight away we should have no problem drawing what's shown here or drawing the flag. That should be really simple. What's going to get more difficult is actually that we are going to have to add this circle in to the second view after we've brought it through the hinge line. So we can see now it's in a southwesterly direction, this or southeasterly direction, whereas in the past we've used the southwesterly direction. So without further ado, let's get going. So again, we've got to be very careful where we put this on the page. For this one here, I'm going to start in the top right hand side because I know I'm going to have to rotate it around and up to the right. So I'm going to start in the top left, I beg your pardon. So we're going to bring this drawing here right up to the top corner here. Just put a line here now. I'm roughly about 10 millimeters off the top of the page here, okay? And if we look here, our total kind of width is 104, okay? And then we're going to come in 12 mil from each side, and then this circle has a total width of 80, okay? So let's mark that in. So 104 was our total. Again, I'm not too far away from the corner of the page. 104 is the total. So 104 is just there. And then we're going to mark in 12 from each side. Okay, so first one there is 12 just there, and 104 minus 12 is 92. So 92 is just there. Okay, now I'm going to draw these lines kind of down straight, like so. And let's just see exactly how long this piece is. Okay, so it's kind of square, so we're going to go down 104 along this line here, draw across, and this one is a further, this line down here is a further 44 mil. That's kind of for the flagpole, okay? So let's draw that down, 104. Okay, just mark that there. Draw it straight across, like so. And draw this one now. We're going to leave this one down, draw it down a little bit, okay? Actually, no, we might as well just mark it first off. 104 plus 44 is going to be 108, 148. Okay, so just about have the length here on this. That's that there, 148. Okay, perfect. Now we'll draw that in. That's ideal. So that's kind of the total length. Now I just will remind you that I'm drawing in pen here, in green pen, which is kind of your light construction lines. Now, so I want to find the center point for the circle, okay? So probably the easiest way to do that, and I know it's bang in the middle of our square here, so I'm just going to connect up all the corners, okay, like so. And where the two lines cross, that's bang in the middle of our center, okay? So that's the center of our circle there. Now, we know it is a radius of 80. Oh no, sorry, there's a total width, so radius of 40, total width of 80, okay? So place it down on my, here, get it, measure it out to 80. Okay. Sorry, measure it out to 40, beg your pardon. Okay, let's draw our circle in here. Perfect. Okay. Now, so we pretty much have most of this shape done. We don't have this star. Now, so how do we draw this star as such? Well, if you look down here really closely, you can see these green lines which are kind of indicating the shape. And that, if you count all the sides there, it's got 6 sides. And as always with shapes, you can divide the number of sides by 360, and that'll give you the total width, total angle of each side. So there's 6 sides, that means there's 6 degrees each. Okay, so that means that I'm going to be able to break this down as such, like so. So I know the first side is on the kind of the bottom here. So if I take down the center point to the bottom of the circle, that is my first. Okay, so 6 divided on 60 is, of course, 60. So if we come in here and what we're going to do here is we're going to use the 30 degree here, and we're just going to mark straight over. Okay, where this hits the circle, we're going to draw upwards. Okay, and every time it hits the circle, you kind of rotate it around. Okay, now so you're looking at this and you're saying, I don't think that's the shape, that's not the star that we're looking for. But this is kind of the construction shape that we have to draw before the actual star itself. Okay, now nearly there now. One last line. Perfect. So now we have that. Okay, this is still the construction lines. Okay, now we want to, what we want to do here is we want to connect up this line here. See, there's kind of like a straight line there. Okay, and that's going to give us the first. So we've kind of got to take our point here and skip one point over to the next one, if that half makes sense. Okay, so it goes from here over, sorry, from here to here. Okay, now it's going to start making all of a sudden there's becoming a lot of lines. So you're kind of rotating, you're rotating it around, but every time you rotate it, you kind of skip one spot. Now, so we do actually have all the lines we kind of need now. So I'm going to take my black pen here, and I'm going to go over everything just to kind of give you a general outline. So we start at this point here, we go over to the hit star diagonal line. There you go. It's the next one there. Okay, and that is our star. Okay, a lot of lines to construct that star, but don't worry, it'll be nice and simple now when we rotate it. So we'll move on to the next part, the rotations.